Hey guys, this is Nikki Draws Sometimes, and today I thought that I would show you guys how I get such smooth and steady lines when I do my line art. If you watched my last video about line art, you might have seen this trick be mentioned. I don't go into great detail about it, but I thought I'd show you guys today how I go about doing that. So when I first started out doing digital and using ProCreate and Photoshop, I had a really hard time trying to get a steady line. So if any of you guys use the technical pen or really any pen for your line art, you kind of notice that without adjusting anything, it's really hard to get a smooth and steady line. Whenever I do my line art, I always make sure that it's on a different layer so that I don't ruin any of my sketch, or if I decide to go back and change up anything that I need, then I can still have my lines and my sketch intact. And oftentimes I do mess up, so being able to go back and change anything without messing up the other stuff that I'm working on is just fantastic. So if you have everything in the factory setting, you'll notice that trying to go and do a straight line is almost next to impossible. Okay, that's just really wonky, but Procreate, you can do a straight line, and if you hold it, it will literally make it a perfect line for you, which is fantastic, because that line is, that's not even a line, that's a squiggle. So having that option is just fantastic. And you could do the same thing with circles. And you can also, I don't know if you can see it, let's see, up there, you can edit the shape. And you have your circle, and it will make it a perfect circle for you. Okay, sorry Anna, I'm drawing all over my Anna sketch. It's okay, but you get the gist of it. But for doing the actual line art of your drawing, you can sit there and try to do it as straight as you can with the fast movements. And yeah, that will get it to be pretty straight, but that's not going to always work for you. So you just sit there and scrape at your screen all day to try to get that. So my tip is to go up to your pen and click on the settings, and right here is your streamline. Put that all the way to max. And now when you try to go do the same lines, you're gonna have such an easier time, and it's gonna make your line art go by so much faster, and it's so much more enjoyable. Literally now, it's my favorite part of drawing. I love doing the line art. Another thing that you can do also, you can also do other shapes. So you could do a square. It's not really a square, but up here, if you see, it has different options. You have your quadrilateral, which I guess that's more of a quadrilateral than a square. And then you have rectangle, square, and it just makes it so much easier. Thank you, Procreate. This is just, it's literally a game changer for me. All right. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any other questions about doing your line art, leave me a comment down below, and I will be more than happy to try to answer your questions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and consider subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video.